everyone, I am Rupa Kalshetty and I am your math expert. In my first video, I am going to teach you the simple and basic concept called operator precedence, which means deciding the order of performing the operations in an expression which has few or all the operations at a time. We come across many expressions which has few or all the operations in it, like these examples. Here you can see there are two operations, and here all the four operations are in an expression. Now, how will you decide which operation to be performed first in that expression? To solve these kind of examples, you have to use the rule D mass, which will tell you the order of operations to be performed on the expression. Here, D stands for division, which comes first, M for multiplication, which comes second, A for addition, which comes third, S for subtraction, which comes the final operation to be performed. You have to actually remember this word D mass and solve the expressions as per this rule. Now let's consider the first example and solve it. In this expression, you can see that there are two operations, division and subtraction. So as per this rule, which operation should be performed first? Yes, that is division. Let's solve this expression. So the first operation we are performing on this expression is division. So we'll perform this operation first. We'll solve it step by step, and in every step we will do only one operation. So 35 divided by 7 is 5 minus 3 as it is. And the next operation to be performed is subtraction, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is your final answer for this expression. Let's solve the next expression which has all the operations in it. Multiplication, addition, division and subtraction. Now which operation will you perform first? Yes, division comes always first. So here is the division part. We'll solve this first. 42 divided by 6 is 7, which we'll write in the next step. So we'll write the next step, that is 2 into 8 plus 42 divided by 6 is 7 minus 3 as it is. Okay? And the next operation we are performing is multiplication. 2 into 8 is 16 plus 7 minus 3 as it is. So this is the answer of this, and this is the answer of this, for your understanding. And the next comes addition on the third order. So 16 plus 7 is 23 minus 3 as it is. So this is the answer for this. And finally, we are going to do subtraction. That is 23 minus 3 is 20. Alright, and 20 is your final answer for this expression. And this is how you are going to solve the operation, and this is your final answer. Yes, now we are clear with the concept of operator precedence. In the next video, I'll come up with more examples for your better understanding. Till then, I wish you love, laughter and hard work. Thank you for watching.